Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So we will be solving this reading, the changing role of airports. So this is real IELTS exam reading. I don't remember the name of the month and year. I think last year it was there in IELTS exam. So for this reading we are having, for this reading, first type of question we have which paragraph contains the following information, and from 14 to 18 number question. Second type of question we have fill in the blanks, complete the sentences using no more than 2 words, and then complete the summary below. So first I will be doing this which section contains the following information, because this is also a confusing question in IELTS reading. So let's start with that. So how to do this reading type of question? So it's important to know the strategy and read this instruction also. You may use any letter more than once. Means any letter means this paragraph name. You can write it if suppose. So these are the information. So if any two information they are in the same paragraph, then you will be writing the paragraph name. Suppose C paragraph is having two information from here, then then you will be writing C and C in front of these two information number questions. Okay, so just try to understand what I am telling, this IELTS reading tips and tricks. So that's the important thing, you just note it down. First I am trying to read the question statement as well as trying to understand its meaning and coming out with some keywords. So evidence that a significant number of significant means dominant or important number of airports provide meeting facilities. Okay, a statement regarding the fact that no further developments are possible in some areas of airport trades, means no developments are possible. Okay, 16th, reference to the low level of income that meeting facilities produce for airports. Okay, reference to the low level of income. Mention of the impact of budget airlines on airport income. Definitely budget airlines word you may not get. Impact also they can use effect or any other word. So examples of airport premises that might be used for business purposes. Okay, examples. Okay, so within 30-40 seconds we have read all the options. Now we will read one by one all paragraphs and then try to find the information. So there is a difference between list of headings and this which section contains the following information, because here we have to find the information. So information can be in the like this is the paragraph. I will show it to you. So we have to read full paragraph for finding these questions, because we are looking for information. We are not looking for the heading of the paragraph. So we are looking for information. So information can be here, can be initial sentences, can be in the middle part of the paragraph, can be at the end. So we need to just scan the paragraph with the help of these keywords. Okay, so now we have done. Let's open the A paragraph. So this is A paragraph. Okay, so we will definitely read it. So I will show you the paragraph also, and then I will show you the options also. Let's finish this A paragraph. Developing commercial revenues and has become more challenging for airports due to combination of factors such as increased competition from internet shopping, restrictions on certain sales such as tobacco, news, security procedure that have an impact on dwell time of passenger. Impact word was there. Moreover, the global economic downturn has caused a reduction in passenger numbers, while those that are traveling generally have less money to spend. Okay, this vendor share subsequently declined slightly. Meanwhile, the pressures to control the level of due to poor financial health of many airlines and rapid rise of the low-cost carrier sector. Okay, so finance relating thing was, I will show you the option. For those who want 7+ bands or 8, please read the paragraph like how I was doing it. But those who want only 6 or 6.5, then they can follow the keyword strategy. Okay, so we have skimmed the paragraph. Now we are looking for the words that I was telling: financial health and low cost carrier sector. low cost relating to finance they are talking about. So impact word was also there, the mention of the impact of budget airline on airport income. See this, income, revenue also they were talking, revenue is also there. The pressures to control the level of aeronautic revenues are strong as ever due to poor financial health of many airlines. And here impact that have an impact on the dwell time of passengers and pressure to control. So we have got this information. It mentioned the impact of budget airlines on airports, so here A will come. And you can match others also if something is matching. Significant number of meeting facility they were not talking in this. No further developments are possible. No low level of income that meeting facilities, actually here nothing was there. So examples of airport premises that might be used for business purposes, nothing was there, only this A 17th is matching. Now B paragraph. Now again scan it, pause the screen and scan it. Obvious solutions to growing commercial revenue such as extending the merchandising business space or expanding the variety of shopping opportunities have already tried to their limit at many airports as more radical solution. They are talking about solution to find new sources of commercial revenue within the terminal. Okay, this has been explored by many airports over the last decades. As a result, many terminals are much more than shopping malls and offer an array of entertainment, leisure, beauty, wellness. So these are examples only. At this stage of facilities provisions, the airports also has the possibility of talking on the role of final destination rather than merely a facilitator of access. Okay, now we have analyzed it. Now I am showing you full options. Evidence that a significant number of airports provide meeting facilities. Meeting facility is not there. A statement regarding the fact that no further developments are possible in some areas of airport. Okay, further development, are they talking? No. Okay, next one is reference to low level of income that meeting facility. Again meeting facility is not there actually. Meeting facility, no. This we have done. Examples of airport premises that might be used for business purposes. This also we can just match it, 18th number. As a result, many terminals are much more than just shopping malls and often an area of leisure, beauty. I think they are talking about examples. At this stage of facilities provision, the airport also has the possibility of talking the role of final destination and obvious solution to growing commercial revenues such as expanding the variety has been. Oh yes, here also they have given something. First line, see this. So solution to growing commercial revenues and all, expanding the variety of shopping opportunity have already been tried to their limit at many airports. A more radical solution commercial within the terminal. Okay, I think examples of airport premises that might is not there here. That's why it is not matching. As a result, many terminals are much more than. No, this will not match because here might be. So used for business purposes, might is not for present. Okay, so here we can use it. Statement regarding the fact no further developments are possible in some areas of the airport trade. See this trade kind of thing they were talking and they have tried to their limit. That's why this B will come. Okay, so if you are confused between two information, then how I have matched it, you can match it like that because might is not for present tense. So, okay, now C paragraph. Now C paragraph, I am showing it to you. At the same time, airports have been developing and expanding the range of services. I think now we are at the right path that they provide specifically for the business traveler in the terminal. This includes offering business centers, meeting, conference room and other spaces for special event. Within this discusses how dedicated meeting facility located within terminal operator may be regarded expansion of the, I think, range of services here. Examples of airport premises that might be used for business purposes and have been developing and expanding the range of services that they provide, specially for the business traveler in the terminal. This includes everything they have given. Maybe see this discusses and managed directly by the airport operator may be regarded as the expansion of the concept of airline lounges. So this is matching with this 18th number. And here in the last line of this, other facilities offered in the surrounding area of the airport that had potential to take on this role become active as a business space. Business purposes that might be used for, in past also they have given this. Okay, now D paragraph. When an airport location can be promoted as a business venue, this may increase the overall appeal of the airport and help it more competitive in both attractive and retaining airlines with their passengers. In particular, the presence of meeting facility could become one of the determining factors taken into consideration when people are choosing airlines. When they change their plans, they enhance attractiveness itself may help to improve the airport operator's financial position and future prospects, but clearly this will be dependent on the competitive advantage that the airport is able to achieve comparison with other venues. So I have also read, you must have also read it. Okay, so within 30 seconds, just give 30 seconds to read the paragraph. Is there anything matching? A significant number of airports, so number should be there. So here number is not there. Provide a statement regarding the fact that no further this we have done. Reference to the low level of income that meeting facilities produced for. Low level of income meeting facilities, they have started talking. No, they are talking about something that how they can attract customer. Mention of the impact, this we have done, this only, this and 14th and 16th are left. Okay, I don't think so, nothing is matching. So E paragraph. In 2011 an online airport survey was conducted. Okay, some of the areas investigated included the provision and use of meeting facilities at airport, perceived role and importance of these facilities generating income and raising passenger. In total there were responses from staff at numbers are there, and 68% of these answered yes to the question, does your airport own and have meeting facility for hire? The existence of meeting facilities therefore seems high at airports. In addition, 28% of the, I think they have given number here, so we can select evidence that a significant number of airports provide meeting facilities. Significant number from they done survey. In total there were responses from staff at 154 airports, and 68% of these answered yes to the question. Does your airport own and have meeting facility available for hire? So provide meeting facilities, definitely this is E number. Now 16th, low level of income that meeting facilities produce for airports. Now next paragraph. Now see this F paragraph, you can scan it. The survey also asked airport with meeting facilities to estimate what proportion of users are from local area within 90-minute drive from airport or from abroad. Their findings show that meeting facilities provided by a majority of local versus non-foreign needs. 63% of respondents estimated that over 60% are users from local area. But here they are not talking about any income. And the last option we have left, we have to find it about reference to the low level of income that meeting facility produce for airports. So let's read G number paragraph. The survey asked respondent with meeting facilities to estimate how much revenue their airport earned from its meeting during the last financial year. So I think this they are talking average revenue per was just this much. Meeting facilities are effectively a source of airport revenue. Only 1% of generated more than 20%. I think they are talking about this. The survey asked respondent with meeting facility to estimate how much revenue their airport earned from its meeting facility during this. Average revenue per airport was just means very less. So here reference to the low level of income that meeting facilities produce for airports, we can mark it G number. Okay, so I will show you how it is matching. And if you want to read H paragraph also, maybe we are wrong at some place, you can. The findings of this study suggest that few airports provide meeting facilities as a serious commercial venture. Okay, here also they are saying something as a serious commercial venture. It may be that as owners of large property, space is available for meeting facilities at airport and could play an important role in serving the needs of the airport. Its partners take, no, something different they are talking. Provide meeting as a serious commercial, but here serious commercial venture they are talking, but here they are not talking low level of income that meeting facilities produce for airports. So that we have selected correctly, and in next video we will be doing these two, fill in the blanks with 2 words and 2 words. Complete the sentences, complete the summary. I will tell you the difference between complete the sentences and complete the summary.